Falcons, and welcome to the Early Bird Show. Today is Monday, May 16th, 2022.
Please stand for the pledges to the flags.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to the Texas, one state under God, one and indivisible.
Please join us for a moment of silence.
Thank you, and please have a seat.
Today in history, in 2005, Star Wars Episode 3, Revenge of the Sith, premieres in London.
Wow.
That's cool.
Remember to turn in all library books as soon as possible.
Now for today's weather. Today in Carrollton, it will be partly cloudy with a high of 95 and a low of 68 degrees.
Today's lunch options are chicken nuggets or cheese quesadilla.
It's hard. Extremely rare pigs that can fight off bears, saved from extinction by farmers. A farmer says an extremely rare pig has successfully been brought back from the brink of extinction. 40-year-old Michelle Burley Hoge has joined the small group dedicated to saving a rare hardy pig breed known as the woolly Mangalitsa that is able to fight off bears.
She said she was inspired to rescue the curly-haired pigs after hearing her grandmother's childhood stories about a now extinct pig from her village. The work being done is having a positive impact as the pigs are slowly recovering from just 10 in the UK to about 50.
Wow, that's cool.
Today's fun fact is an average yawn lasts 6 seconds.
What?
That's really weird.
Now for the joke of the day. Hey Everett, knock knock.
Who's there?
Tank.
Thank who?
You're welcome.
That's all for today. Let's say our motto together.
Doing your best is the key to success. I choose excellence.
I'm Everett.
And I'm Evan. That's Larry and that's Fiona. Until next time, fly high, Falcons. Bump, ba-dum, bump,